Students, this is NEET previous year question, right? So let's read the statement. The dimensions of pressure are the same as that of. In this question, you are having 4 options, and out of these 4 options, you have to tell about the correct option whose dimensions are same as that of pressure, right? So first of all, we'll see the dimensions of pressure. That means you have to express pressure in terms of MLT. That means mass, length and time, right? So pressure is force upon area, right? So pressure equal to force upon area, right? So according to that, force is mass into acceleration. Divided by area. So if you'll see the units of mass, that is kg, and acceleration is meter per second square, divided by units of area, meter square, right? I'll cancel 1 meter with this. According to that, the rearranged unit of pressure is kg, meter inverse, second inverse square. If I'll express these units in terms of MLT, it will be M1 mass, that means kg, 1 L minus 1, and second, that means time, that will be T minus 2. That should be the dimensions of the following option, right? So let's see the first one, that is force per unit volume. So force by volume. Units of force will be kg, meter, second inverse square, right? And unit of volume will be meter cube. I'll cancel 1 meter with this, and the final unit will be kg, meter inverse square, second inverse square. If I have to express in terms of MLT, it will be M1 L minus 2 T minus 2. Now this is not the correct option. Let's see the next one, that is energy per unit volume. Energy per unit volume means energy by volume, right? So energy is force into distance divided by volume. Unit of force will be kg, meter, second inverse square. Distance, it will be meter divided by volume, meter cube. I'll cancel 1 meter with this, right? And 1 meter with this, right? So definitely the final units are kg, meter inverse, second inverse square. If I have to express these units in term of MLT, it will be M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. Definitely the dimensions of energy per unit volume is similar to the pressure, right? B is the correct option.